You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me? Damn! You seen that? Oh, I ain't gonna lie, boy, that bit that movie, yeah. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on, fam? What's going on? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say. All the way to 7 beautiful day, why not get out and chase your goals? Why not get out and chase your dreams? Why not get out and work on yourself, you hear me? Real talk, fam, y'all already know. We got the same 24, you understand me? So with that being said, man, let's get out there and make things happen. We all got the same 24. We all got the same amount of time to put in work. Some of us is just working harder than others. You feel me? If you're not working hard enough towards your goals, you need to start right now. Start working harder towards your dreams and goals. You feel me? Because 24 hours is not a lot of time to play with. And y'all already know things are not gonna fall in your lap, and don't nobody owe you a motherfucking thing. You understand me? Real talk. But what's good though, fam? Today I got something for y'all. You understand me? I know some of y'all out there have been searching for one of these. You understand me? So I got something for y'all. You understand me? I got something for y'all. Like I said, I always look out for the DPF. Some of y'all out there been searching for this, and I got something. But before we get into what I got for y'all, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on post notifications, because we do post content often. And on top of that, we doing a Donk giveaway. It's the Donk Planet Donk giveaway. We're giving away a Donk. 1973 two-door hardtop that we're giving away. Never has a Donk been given away before. We're giving this Donk away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. For a chance to win this Donk, all you have to do, subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel, click the bell, select all, and turn on the post notifications. Post notifications must be turned on because part of the requirements is watching and commenting on videos on Donk Planet YouTube channel. So post notifications must be turned on so you can know when we post new videos, so you can go watch and comment on them. Also, you must spread the word and tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway. That's the rules for entering the giveaway. Don't just subscribe and disappear thinking that you're going to win the Donk, because it's not going to happen. You have to participate on the Donk Planet YouTube channel, meaning you have to watch videos and comment on videos. No, you don't have to comment on every single video, but you have to watch and comment on videos. It is very important. The Donk Planet Donk giveaway. Alright, fam, y'all see it, man. Y'all see what we giving away, man. A solid 7-tray 1973 Chevy Impala two-door hardtop we giving away. You understand me? For the free 99, I might add. You understand me? For the free 99. Never been done before. Nobody yet has given away a Donk for the free 99. You understand me? Yes, I said free. We giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. For your chance to win, follow what the ad says. Like I said, free 99. You feel me? We giving it away. When we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, one of the lucky DPF. DPF means Donk Planet family member. We'll win that Donk when we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. You understand me? And that's a solid starting foundation, man. People tell me I should keep it for myself. It's a very solid starting foundation. No rust bucket. Got surface rust, but surface rust is nothing. Other than that, the body is solid. Never painted before. I didn't put any primer on the car because I didn't want to disguise anything, because I want the winner to see how solid that body is. You understand me? Floor pan solid, trunk pan solid, everything solid. You understand me? Real talk. And we giving it away. And also, if you haven't heard, we partner with one of the biggest wheel brands in the game, Forgiato. You understand? We partner with Forgiato. And we giving away a set of 26-inch Forgiato wheels with the giveaway Donk, but not just any Forgiato wheels. We giving away big cap Forgiato wheels. You understand me? If you don't know what big cap is, that's the big center cap in the middle of the Forgiato with that floating F. When you drive, that F float like this. You understand me? I love them floating. I love them floating big cap Forgiatos. Real talk. And we giving that away. You talking about a $16,000 value, man.
On them sixes,
The Donk and the wheels. You talking about a $16,000 value. We giving it away when we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. So make your way to Donk Planet YouTube. Subscribe. Participate on the channel. Click that notification bell. Select all that. You understand me? Also spread the word. Help us get to 200,000. Because 200,000 is when we giving it away. You understand me? Real talk. That's when we giving it away. When we hit 200,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all subscribe. Real talk, man. I ain't playing with y'all. No cap over here. Nothing but facts. You understand me? Nothing but facts. But as far as me getting into what I got for y'all today, because I know some of y'all out there been checking the channel and y'all follow Donk Planet. You know what I'm saying? So some of y'all been looking for this. Today we got a solid 1971 hardtop for sale. You understand me? For sale. That's what we going to go check out today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and check it out. If anybody interested in buying it, just hit me up, send me a DM, send me an email. donkplanet305@gmail.com. You feel me? We selling this for sale. Asking $12,000 for it. Solid 1971 hardtop. Like I said, I'm about to show you guys the video. Check it out. If you like it, send me an email, DM me. You feel me? We can make it happen. You know what I'm saying? It's a good car. You could drop it, put it in the game, or for you guys out there in the Donk racing world, you guys could buy this hardtop and turn it into a Donk racing car. As they say, hardtops are better to race than convertibles. At least that's what I'm hearing. You feel me? I don't know. That's what they say. So definitely check that out. Check it out in the video. Once you're done watching, if you like it, let me know. Send me an email, send me a DM, all that. But anyway, man, let's get into this video. Let's check out this solid 71 hardtop. Let go. Alright, fam, here we go. 71 hardtop.
71 all the way to 76. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 71 all the way to 76. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick.
Solid car, runs and drives. Has a rebuilt 400 motor. Dope, man. Great car. Anybody out there looking to get into the Donk game, this is a great buy right here. Of course, it's a Donk, and you know it needs work, but it is a great buy. 71, as you guys can see. Very solid car, minor rust, but other than that, it's a great car.
71 all the way to 76.
If you purchase this car, you will have to
Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches
door panels are there.
Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 71 all the way to 76. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick.
You need to buy the seats, but for the most part it's solid. Has all the door panels. If you guys notice, there's that one hole right there, but that will get fixed before the car is sold. Got a new floor pan for that, so you don't have to worry about it. All you need to buy is, like I said, is seats. Other than that, very solid car. Solid, y'all hear that?
71 all the way to 76. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 71 all the way to 76. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick.
very solid quarter. You don't have to change the whole quarter. You just cut that little piece out, put new metal, and you're good to go. 71 hardtop, one of the most sought after years, fam. For anybody out there looking for a Donk, this is a great buy. You're looking for a car to build, great buy. 400 motor, like I said, already rebuilt for you. If I had the key, I would crank it for you right now, but I don't have the key. But trust me, great buy.
Damn.
It's a 71.
You seen that? I ain't gonna lie.
Can't lose with this one, fam. All the bumpers there, rocker panel motors are there, chrome trimming there.
7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit.
Anybody out there interested?
Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick.
Not gonna last long, so come and get it. Alright, fam, there you have it, man. Solid 71 for sale. For the most part, the body is solid on there. Like I showed y'all that one rust spot. There's a hole in the floor of the car, but he got the person that's selling it has the floor pad, and they're gonna repair that before the car gets sold. Or if you choose to repair it yourself, you can do that as well.
Candy coated paint, I had to drop
other than that, it's a solid car.
7-1 all the way to 7-6.
400
engine, just rebuilt. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit.
The full interior is there except for the seat. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Need work. Of course, it's a Donk, you know what I'm saying? 40, 50-year-old car, need work. But, you know, it's one of the most sought after years. It definitely has potential in my eyes. You can either buy the car, build it, you know what I'm saying, drop it for the streets, or, you know what I'm saying, you can turn it into a racer car like how these other dudes do it. Because like they said, like I heard, you know, a hardtop is better to race than a convertible, so, and it's a 71. But anyway, man, y'all see what's going on, fam. That's what I got for y'all, for the people out there that's looking for cars for sale, Donks for sale. You know what I'm saying? Y'all check out that one.
7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit.
Also, make sure you subscribe to Donk on YouTube for your chances to win that Donk, because we all giving a solid 73 away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. Spread the word, man. Tell everybody you know that like cars about it. Let's get 200,000 subscribers so we can get a car away. You feel me? But that's what I got for y'all today, fam. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't plan it live behind the scene. You hear me?